This custom-built home was completely remolded in October 2110 with panoramic views of Chautauqua Lake and deeded lake rights with a shared dock. You will love every room in this home, from the colors to the views. The open floor plan is bright and cherry with custom cabinets, granite countertops and bamboo floors throughout. The 4 bedrooms are all nice size and big closets and wall-to-wall carpet. The master suite has a large walk-in closet and a large master bath. Separate tub and shower. The covered large porch has mahogany floors and 2 ceiling fans, which has sliding glass doors to sunroom and master bedroom. Tile floors in the bathrooms. The basement is the original when the house was built, except for the 5th bedroom or hobby room and storage room. Laundry room is on main floor. Working from home. There is an office with high-speed internet. This home has been the seller's dream, but time